welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and inexpensive wreath that I think will be perfect for transitioning from summer into fall. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I am also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts. So come say hi. For this wreath, I used a variety of different inexpensive flowers. I picked up those flowers right there for $1 each at Dollar General. I did not use that right there. I didn't use several that I showed you here, but right now Dollar General has a lot of pretty flowers for $1, $2, and $3. So if you don't ever think about looking at Dollar General for flowers, stop by and check them out. Right now they have some pretty flowers for, great prices. So I only used a couple of those, which you'll see in just a minute, from Dollar General. The next flowers came from Dollar Tree. So the beautiful magnolia picks, you'll need 2 of those, and I picked those up at Dollar Tree. Aren't they pretty? They don't look like they'd only be $1.25, do they? And then the little sunflowers also from Dollar Tree. And then the next flowers I picked up at Walmart. Walmart is a great place to pick up inexpensive flowers too. Theirs are only 97 cents. I also have some big, I think they're called Gerber daisies, and I really think they're from Dollar General also, but the tag, I have used a few of those, so the tag's off of it, so I really don't know for sure. You're going to need a wreath, and that wreath came from Hobby Lobby, and you're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow. And I'm just taking my magnolia picks from Dollar Tree, cutting them into shorter pieces, adding a little hot glue to the end of the pick, and then I'm going to push it into the wreath. For this wreath, I did a really simple pattern. So basically, on the left side of the wreath, I am adding flowers. Now, I went a little bit over the halfway mark at the top and the bottom, but basically, I am just taking my bigger flowers first, which are my magnolias, and I am just spacing them out and going to use 2 picks from Dollar Tree. Sorry if you hear Parker barking. My kids and husband just went outside to go swimming, so he's wanting to go swim with them. So just take your larger flowers and place them on the left side, just spacing them out. Add a little hot glue to the end of the pick before you push it into the wreath. Now you can use a grapevine. I'm not real sure what this wreath is called, but I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. So here's how it looks with the white magnolias. Second step, I am going in with some flowers. These are the orange Gerber daisies. So I'm picking some orange flowers and I am going to take them and I am going to basically on the left side, on the inner circle of the wreath ring, I'm going to add the Gerber daisies and just space them out on that left side. Sorry, the angle of the camera is not good and you really can't see what I'm doing, but I am just going kind of in between the magnolias, placing the daisies. For step 3, I'm taking a flower about the same size as the Gerber daisies, which is my sunflower picks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just placing them in between the magnolias. So I'm just cutting them shorter, adding some hot glue onto the end, and then going in between the magnolias, placing the sunflowers. Just push it into the wreath and let it have just a little bit of time to dry. You can make this wreath for any season or holiday or special occasion. I am just making mine for the end of summer, kind of to transition into fall. For step 4, you're going to want to choose some flowers or either some greenery that kind of comes to a point or is longer and kind of has a spiky look, or a wispy or whimsical look to it. So I'm just using these picks I picked up for $1 at Dollar General. I am just cutting them into smaller pieces, adding some hot glue onto the end. I'm going to start at the top, and I want them to kind of stick out above the wreath. So you're just going to kind of space them out and fill in on the left side on the outer circle. For step 5, you're going to choose something that's like a vine, some greenery that adds some movement to your wreath, and you're going to place a piece of it at the bottom end and then at the top end. These two greenery picks are from Dollar General, so very inexpensive. Okay, so this is the way it looks so far. Just remember when you're choosing your floral picks that you want to choose a variety of shapes and textures for your wreath. Step 6, we're going to be tying a bow, and this is not one of my better bows. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel that are much prettier bows, but this ends up working out good because I just wanted a double bow for this wreath just to keep it simple. And the last step, step 7, I like to add a few flowers above and below my bow. And that's it, guys. It's ready to hang up on your door. Now, usually when you have something with weight on one side, you have to put the wire closest to the flowers on the left side at the top. I hope this wreath tutorial helps you. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful night.